Okay, good morning. Ganda umaga. Good morning, Sir Edse, Brother Javi. Thank you to Rappler for giving me and Lente this opportunity to present our Bridging the Gap project for next year's elections. I'm Ana Caritas. I'm the Executive Director of Lente. Lente stands for Legal Network for Truthful Elections. We are a nationwide, non-partisan, volunteer network of lawyers, law students, paralegals, engaged to do election work. So yun po yung ibig sabihin ng Lente at yun ang ginagawa ng Lente. Kami po ay may booth dyan sa may tabi. Kami po yung maingay. Kami yung may mime dyan. So pasensya na po, lalo na sa organizers, if we're causing noise and rufus dyan sa side namin of the exhibit. Okay. Let me start my presentation by asking this question. Paano po kayo bumoto in the last barangay election? Sino yung naglakad? Can you raise your hand if you just walk to the voting center where you voted? Okay. Sino yung nag-jeep? Okay. Sino yung nagsasakyan, nag-drive? How many minutes? How many minutes did you travel for you to exercise your right to vote? Who wants to answer? How many minutes did you travel for you to exercise your right to vote? 10 minutes? 15 minutes? Okay. Let me show you how our Mangyan brothers and sisters in Occidental Mindoro travel. How long do they travel when they exercise their right to vote? I'm sorry the presentation is not that clear, pero dito sila nakatira sa point na to. Saan sila bumoboto? Doon sa point sa taas. They have to walk for 5 to 12 hours for them to exercise their right to vote. Gaano ulit kayo katagal nag-travel para bumoto in the last barangay elections? 10, 15 minutes. And we have our Mangyan brothers and sisters walking for 5 to 12 hours for them to exercise their right to vote. Ano yung project namin na we hope to pilot in next year's elections? And we're actively talking with COMELEC with regards to this project. With regard to this project. Our project is, yung Bridging the Gap, is to locate this voting center near their communities. So we're proposing accessible voting centers or kung saan bumoboto for our Mangyan brothers and sisters in Occidental and Oriental Mindoro. So they do not need to walk for 5 to 12 hours para lang makaboto. Ano yung problem when they walk 5 to 12 hours? Nung nagpunta ba kayo sa voting center nyo, nakulong ba kayo? Hinaras ba kayo? Pinakain ba kayo ng 2-3 araw? That's the situation of the Mangyans in Oriental and Occidental Mindoro. Because they had to travel for 5 to 12 hours, they're most prone to threats, intimidation, and hakot. So when we bring the voting center near to their communities, nawawala yung problema ng hakot, pananakot, at yung pagboto nila ng hindi naayon sa kanilang gusto. So that's our little project in Occidental and in Oriental Mindoro. Accessible voting centers for our Mangyan brothers and sisters in Oriental and Occidental Mindoro. Yun lang po yung presentation ng Lente. Thank you very much.